In the heart of the galaxy, peace is a fragile thing. The Galactic Council Chamber gleams under 1,000 alien lights, its walls pulsing with uneasy hope. Delegates of all shapes and worlds debate, voices raised but faces tired, as if they know how close they've come to the edge. Ambassador Linh stands at the podium, tall and steady. Her message is clear, her words steady as starlight. She pleads for unity. Her aide Imran hangs on every word, knowing the price of failure. Suddenly, chaos. The lights flicker, shadows twist, and then a blast tears through the chamber doors. Masked assailants pour in, blasters crackle, panic erupts. Linh falls in the confusion, reaching out with her final breath. She presses a small note card into Imran's hand, whispering, "Lead them. Reflect. Unite." He clutches it as she fades, the world collapsing around him. Grief strikes hard, but Imran's no stranger to pain. He fights back, not with anger, but with cleverness. Tables flip, mirrors blind the attackers, and he leads the survivors out through the chaos. His mind flashes back, years ago, sitting in a human classroom, watching a bully rage. Young Imran stepped in, not with fists, but with empathy. He learned back then force breaks bones, but reflection changes hearts. Linh taught him that lesson over and over. Her voice echoes in his memory. Weapons break bones, reflection changes hearts. With Linh gone, the council turns to Imran, hesitant, haunted. Zara, his old friend, finds him alone. "She chose you, now choose yourself." Imran hesitates, then nods. He'll try. His first mission awaits. Save the Interspecies Academy on New Harmony, or watch peace unravel completely. The ship streaks toward the planet. His team, Zara, Sarah, Kor, Tico, preparing for what's ahead. The Academy is a mess. Hate scrawled on walls, students and staff frightened. Principal Var meets him with a warning. "Fix this, or the Academy shuts down, and so does the peace." Imran gathers the students in the auditorium. The air sizzles with tension, glares between speeches, fists clenched. A fight breaks out. Imran's voice cuts through. "Stop, sit, you want to fight? Then tell us why." He forms reflection circles, no more insults, only truth. A Zinari student spits, "Humans are weak." A human fires back, "Zinari are bullies." Imran leans in calm, "No insults, tell us what you're afraid of." A Vel student whispers, "I'm afraid I'll never belong." Silence falls, heads nod. The walls start to crumble. Imran remembers Linh's last workshop, her question hanging in the air. "What do you need to feel safe?" But just as hope blooms, another explosion rips through the cafeteria. Smoke fills the air, masked students brandishing improvised weapons. Imran steps forward. "You want a war? Fight me, but first, tell the truth." The ringleader trembles. "I'm scared you'll take everything," Imran says. "I'm scared I'll fail you." Weapons clatter to the floor. Suddenly arms embrace instead of fists. One last reflection circle outside now. Students, teachers, even the hardened warriors speak truth. Zara admits, "I fear becoming like those I oppose." Kor confesses, "I fear peace makes me useless." Slowly unity grows. Walls once scrawled with hate are painted with hope. Murals, handprints, laughter echoing. Tears, yes, but also smiles. Imran stands at sunset, Linh's final words burning in his heart. "Lead them, reflect, unite." And so begins the journey to peace. Fade out.